Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Solve for the value of x plus 1 over x, given the equation cube root of x minus cube root of x minus 36 equals 3. Now, if you want to try this problem, you can pause this video. You have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now, let's answer this question together. Now, what is our first step to answer this question? This is obvious because we have a cube root, so we need to cube on both sides. Now, let's simplify. The right-hand side is just 3 raised to 3 or just 27. But on the left-hand side, we will use some identities. If we have a minus b raised to 3, it is equivalent to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab times a minus b. Now, on our given equation, a must be cube root of x, and this b must be cube root of x minus 36. So, if we expand the left-hand side, this is equivalent to cube root of x raised to 3 minus cube root of x minus 36 raised to 3 minus 3 times cube root of x times cube root of x minus 36 times cube root of x minus cube root of x minus 36. Now, let's simplify some terms. Notice that this cube root of x minus cube root of x minus 36 is our given equation, and it is equivalent to just 3. Now, 3 times 3, this will give us 9. Now, let's simplify other terms on the left-hand side. Now, take note that this cube root of x raised to 3 is simply x. And also, this cube root of x minus 36 raised to 3 is just x minus 36. Now, let's distribute the negative sign. This will give us x minus x plus 36. And x minus x cancel out, so this is just 0. Now, subtract 36 on both sides. 27 minus 36 is just negative 9. Now, divide both sides by negative 9. Negative 9 divided by negative 9 is just positive 1. So, our equation now becomes cube root of x times cube root of x minus 36 equals 1. Now, at this point, let's use some laws of radicals. If we have nth root of a times nth root of b, this is equivalent to nth root of a times b. Therefore, we can multiply this x and x minus 36. This will give us cube root of x squared minus 36 times x. Now, let's eliminate this cube root, so let's cube on both sides. And the left-hand side is just x squared minus 36x. And the right-hand side is just 1. Now, divide all terms by x. And then, rearrange some terms a little bit. We have x minus 1 over x equals 36. We have now the value of x minus 1 over x, but we want the value of x plus 1 over x. So what we're going to do to this equation is to square on both sides. Now, the left-hand side is equivalent to x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared. And 36 squared is just 1,296. Now, add 2 on both sides. This is just 1,298. Now, let's set aside this result and let's focus to the expression that we want to find. Now, let's square this expression. If we do that, we get x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Rearrange some terms a little bit. And take note that we have a value for x squared plus 1 over x squared. This is just 1,298. Now, 1,298 plus 2 is just 1,300. And we want the value of x plus 1 over x. So, let's get the square root on both sides. Now, the left-hand side is just x plus 1 over x. And the right-hand side is just positive or negative square root of 1,300. Now, let's simplify. Square root of 1,300 is equivalent to 10 times square root of 13. Therefore, the value of x plus 1 over x given this equation is positive or negative 10 times square root of 13. And as always, we are done.